Southeast Asia is one of the most dynamic regions in the world, with growing economies, diverse landscapes, and vibrant communities. Home to over 250 million people, it produces over 50 million tons of paddy rice each year, contributing to the region's food security as well as a quarter of the world's rice exports. Climate change exacerbates the negative impacts of growing biodiversity loss and increasing greenhouse gas emissions. A region-wide drought in 2019 affected over 1.8 million hectares of cropland, resulting in damage and loss of $400 million. On average, annual flooding affects over 3 million people, resulting in damage and loss totaling $90 million. As climate-related disasters become more frequent and intense, decision-makers look to the scientific community to help monitor, map, and mitigate these disasters. Through a unique partnership between the US Agency for International Development, USAID, the US National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, and the Asian Disaster Preparedness Center, ADPC, SERVIR Mekong integrated satellite data into publicly accessible tools that drive and strengthen locally developed and sustainable solutions to address the climate crisis. Over its 8-year duration, SERVIR Mekong developed 21 decision support tools, trained over 1,500 people, mobilized over $500,000 of additional investment, and supported the adoption of 4 policies to improve the resilience of the Lower Mekong's residents to the impacts of climate change. In collaboration with the Mekong River Commission, SERVIR Mekong increased the lead time for flood forecasts from 6 to 15 days. SERVIR Mekong also supported the Mekong River Commission to implement its drought management strategy.
The cooperation between the Mekong River Commission and SERVIR Mekong has resulted in many positive outcomes. Our collaboration has enhanced the accuracy and lead time of our MRC flood forecasting. We have also worked together to establish the MRC drought monitoring and outlook. As climate change intensifies and development accelerates, we will continue to work together in getting better and better information into the hands of farmers and communities in order to make them more resilient and adaptable.
SERVIR Mekong worked with provincial governments in Thailand to increase the accuracy of air pollution readings and regulate agricultural burning and forest fires, leading to an 88% reduction in fire hotspots in Chiang Rai province.
The faster we determine the location of the fire, the higher chance we can put out that fire. This helps minimize forest loss and reduces air pollution, which has an impact on local people's lives.
SERVIR Mekong worked with USAID Cambodia on a system for near real-time monitoring of forest changes and forest fires within the Prey Lang extended landscape, empowering the forest rangers and local citizens to combat forest loss.
On behalf of USAID, it is my pleasure to thank NASA and ADPC for 8 years of partnership and innovation to help communities and countries in the Lower Mekong adapt to climate change. With the launch of SERVIR Southeast Asia, our partnership will continue to build climate resilience, connecting space to village across Southeast Asia.